And now welcome to Supercar Saturday with US Classic Muscle Cars, and I hope you enjoy the next video.
Okay, my name's Dave. This is my 2014 Indy Festival car, Camaro SS. We've done a few things to it since we bought it. We bought it in southern Indiana, and we've modified it so it looks a lot different than a regular festival car does. We've done a lot of the accents to it, the black and stuff on the front splitter, the mirrors, the rear spoiler. We've changed the wheels out to a Forge Star black chrome wheel. Some of the decals were removed from the vehicle. We're still trying to get some of the decals back from when it was a festival car, get some more information on it. That's pretty much on the exterior what we've done. The interior, we've added the roll bar, we've added some paint to the dash. We've had the around the radio and all the checkered flags put in. It's all custom work. My wife has actually done some of the work on the interior herself with some of the white around the vents and stuff. It's a fun car. It's a blast to drive. We've had it tuned by Nickey Performance, and we've had them do some work on the car. We've also had some other paint work done under the hood, and we'll show you that real quick. It's a 6.2 liter Chevy motor short block. It's all been has a cam, a VVT cam, ported throttle body, headers, high flow cats, and 3-inch chambered exhaust. It's muffler delete. It's got a cold air intake on it, and then it's pushing probably right around 525 horse. Been tuned by Nickey Performance out of St. Charles, Illinois. We've done a lot of the under the hood graphics and stuff to it. Had them done with pieces that we've added to the car, and the checkered flags and everything. And it's a work in progress. We're still doing more to it. We just haven't fully figured out exactly what we're going to do yet. But it's always fun to go to shows and talk to people and have people love your car too, just like you do.
How many miles on the car?
It's only got 11,000. It's about 3 years old right now. It's about our third season with it. It's got right around 11,000 miles on it. Nickey did the cam, VVT cam. He did ported throttle body, headers, high flow cats, 3-inch chambered exhaust, and a tune.